Best to run fast when I pump up this musical block and the shots go firing. No lying, man, I run this shit. Life a movie, man, I run my script. Similar to hustlers that run they strip. I shouldn't say similar, cause similar is equal. I ain't similar to niggas, they ain't nothing like this. I found a bottle with a note in there. It said the world's broken, go repair it. But it seems that no one cares, so I threw the bottle in the ocean, yeah. I never chose my gift chose me. I don't owe y'all shit. Just God and a gun and a loaded up clip and a voice full of soul and it goes like this. All the other kids with the funk up, get you better run, now run my gun. All the other kids with the funk up, get you better run, faster than my bullet. Lights, cameras, life is just so scandalous, but still I paint with honesty. That's why they love what's on my canvas. I'm like Pete Sampras, my service is so enchanting. I took a song by Foster the People and fostered it into Jonas' anthem. Nigga, I'm a beast, panther, and I don't know no answers. Thought I lost my soul 15 years ago when I lost my father to cancer, but I'm still here. Shit, and I refuse to quit. Just God and a gun and a loaded up clip and a voice full of soul and it goes like this.
Una història que es va remuntar als orígens del poble i és la que següent us narraré i us explicaré. Temps era temps quan els oncells tenien dents, vida varietes. Aquesta és la meva vila, la nostra. Era un territori boscós. Les alzines, els rius, les colles, de Parets i Serradal. Benvinguts a la festa, vinga!